Okay, so we're back. We've washed our faces and we've washed our sponges, and we're going to show you how to do that in a second. We actually had to pull out a different cake because we've decided to do a rainbow. This is a custom-made rainbow cake. Very good friend has made that for me. So now let's introduce our new friend.
Our new
friend
is a puppy.
Look at our gorgeous little darling. Isn't she beautiful? We're so in love with her. Her name's Yub Jub. Now, first we called her Rose because she's got these gorgeous little rosy bits, whiskers here, bit of fluff. Just take her away from the table a bit, honey. Thanks. But we've decided to call her Yub Jub. And that's Ewok, because we think she looks like an Ewok, and that's Ewok for Devour the Week. So her name's Yub Jub. Yub Jub. Yub Jub, 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 Jub. No, she's so pretty, and she's 10 weeks old, and we love her. Let's go put her down. We're going to go wash our hands and come back and do a rainbow, okay? Say bye.
Bye, everybody.
We've got nice clean hands again. And we've washed our sponges and we're ready to go. Okay, so this time round, we're going to get our cake, and we've got a damp sponge like I showed you. And we're not going to use this side, we're going to use this side here. So we're just going to plonk it on and go back and forth.
Oh, we're making a rainbow.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So back and forth like this, go up and down like that. See that?
Looks good.
Looks great. This is a beautiful rainbow cake. Once you see all the colours that, you know, if you're shopping at the Looney bin and you have a look, oh my gosh, all the colours, you're going to want them all. Hey, that looks awesome. Yeah. Yeah, that's good.
That.
Hang on. There. Really did that one.
That's mine.
Okay, so we've got these, and I'm going to put the red on the top. And all we're going to do is we're going to go... Well, before I do it, I'll show you. We're going to make it go around in a rainbow just to there. So it's going to go from there to there. From there to there. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to pop it on there and just follow it around like that. And if you didn't like it the first time, have a look in the mirror, honey. Yeah.
So just
see? Oh, that looks great. That looks great. Look at that. And you can go back and just dab over it. If you want.
See, that is amazing.
Yes. It is amazing. All right. This is so super simple. What we're going to do now is we're going to get our glitter. Before it dries, we're going to take a nice pinch of it. Our glitter. Take a pinch of glitter. And just sprinkle, close your eyes and sprinkle some fairy dust on. Woo, look at that. It's sparkly. I'm going to grab our, you need some water.
Of course, I have to have some more, Mum.
Okay, cool. Dance it around.
See, I got like
in the clean water. We've got clean water again. Yep, dance it around.
Dance.
And then we just dab a little bit of it off. Now we get our white. Okay, go back with our white. Dab. Dance. Pup's all good. And we're making some nice creamy consistency again. So we've got the whole brush nice and coated.
I got glitter on my brush.
Yeah, there's glitter everywhere now. It's like legit just gone everywhere. What we do now, this is really cool, is we're not going to go like this. We're going to move it on the side.
So we're going to make clouds, basically.
That's right, we're making clouds.
You have to make it a cloud.
And we're going to go at the base of this rainbow, and all we're going to do is go wiggle, 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 wiggle. And then get this bit
wiggle,
here
wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
And flick it out
like that.
Flick the bottom out. Yeah, and look, I even think I need more clouds down there. Oh, so I'm going to get the paint again. Get some more paint on me, on my brush, I mean, and then put it on me.
Hang on, I need
and I need my mirror again. And then just go wiggle, wiggle.
But mine.
There, that's great. Yours looks brilliant. And you're going to do exactly the same. Look, I'm dipping it in.
Yep,
I'm getting
so
some
dip
more
it in.
white on there.
Give it
Okay.
some more white. Just wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
And now we're going to go to the bottom of the rainbow and put some more clouds on there. And just wiggle. The best thing about clouds is they're not perfect. So we don't have to be perfect. And more clouds, I reckon. Yep. And I reckon we could do some dots on there as well. And a star or two and we'd be fine. Be laughing. Look. Dots. Dots here. And we're going to do a star up here. So flick, 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 flick. Always flicking out. And we'll do some more dots down there. There's my rainbow.
So your rainbows are so easy.
Yeah.
And
Look
I
at you.
suggested to do a rainbow, but I really want to do a snake.
Okay, well we can do a snake on
Can
our
we do it on
arm.
this episode?
Yeah.
You do it on your arm because then you can have it like long and squiggly, or you can do it on your face, like sort of like the rainbow, like squiggly.
You can. Or you could do it on your brother's face. Or your sister's, or your mum and dad's. Yeah. So we need our sponge again, and we can use the same sponge that we were using if we're doing it on ourselves. We can do it again. We might need to wash it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to dip that in. That barely got wet, and then that's just going to activate the paint so I can move it up like that. You will know
I'm gonna do this
if
one.
it doesn't
Can
work.
I do this one, Mummy?
Because all the water will come dripping in here and mix, 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 and then you won't get all those lovely colours. So, yeah, like that.
Can I do this one?
No, because you've already got the colour on there.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah. Make sure the colours match up. No. That's right. Sponge, lay it down like that.
Like this.
Yep.
So I have
And
it
just
like
go
that. So you can make
See what sort of-
a squiggly
Yeah,
line.
see what sort of things happen. And then I'm going to squish mine up and see if I can make a little rounded head like that. See? Ooh. Just a big long line. You can just see what happens when you put the sponge on. It's all about having fun. The best thing is that it comes off, isn't it?
So it's not actually a tattoo. But look at mine.
Yep. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful, Rill.
I did a head and I smudged it.
So we're going to get some more paint.
Oh,
I'm going to
not using
go
our
black
sponge
now. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, we're going
can't
back
find
to our
that.
paint brush, I should say. We're going back to our paintbrush.
And we need to smudge our black if we already haven't used it. So smudge, smudge.
I don't think they can see that there. Hang on. Just put that there.
Whoa. 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 Whoa.
Getting some nice paint consistency
Whoa.
happening. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go flick out, flick,
Mom,
flick.
have a look what I made.
Oh, that looks super cool, Rill.
You guys can't see it because you just
Yeah, let's see if we can
can't
show
see
it without mixing it. Oh,
I just got a little bit of black on the. I just got a
on the
little
top.
bit of
It looks
the
like it's marbling,
brush.
isn't it?
Mm.
It's very cool. Okay,
I need to get more water now.
so flicks. Now we're going to do some outlines of the snake. You can do anything you want, be as creative as you like. And we go, what do their eyes look like? Oh, well, mine look like that today.
Yeah.
Got a couple of nostrils.
Nostrils
And then we're
up.
going to go all the way down. Oh, I can't do this in the screen very well. Anyhow, we're going to go follow it all the way down. Let's be a little bit arty and make it however we want it to be. Snakes are wiggly, so we'll make this snake wiggly. Okay, and then we can do some scales, just a few. It doesn't have to be everywhere, but you know, you've got the paintbrush, you're having fun at home. Let's just do whatever we want. Yeah.
I think the puppy's chewing on something.
Oh, what is she chewing on? Pop up. What do you got, Yub Jub? What you got?
That's my snake. So that
Hang on, sorry.
to all the
Wow,
way
that's cool.
that.
So now what we're going to do is we're going to dance this around again. I'm not touching the bottom with the paintbrush because I don't want to ruin the paintbrush. We're just getting excited.
To get all of the black out.
Okay, and then yeah, that's right, to get all of the black out. And then we're dipping again.
What
And
are
I'm
we
getting
gonna do
some
now?
white.
You always have to use white
Yep.
as well.
And we'll go dot, 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 dot. It doesn't really matter, but we're just doing whatever we want. We're just having some fun. Snake. Now, don't go scaring Mum with your snake. Don't bite anyone. Didn't scare me.
Didn't scare my mum. Yes, I did yours.
No. Okay, so there's our awesome rainbow snakes. This is the best thing about this kit is you can just do whatever you want. You've got heaps of paint there to have lots of fun with.
Yeah.
As long as we use nice fresh water, we need to clean that up now for the next paint creation.
Look at mine, everybody.
And clean our sponge every now and then so it's nice and
that's
fresh.
the head, and then goes all the way to the body.
Oh, that's
It's
very
got
cool.
a white tail, rattlesnake,
Awesome.
basically.
Didn't put glitter on our snakes.
We have to put glitter on. Wait a minute, everybody.
Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Okay, it's going everywhere. Ta-da! Yeah. We hope you've had lots of fun today with us. We've had lots of fun trying to paint our faces.
Yeah, lots of fun.
Yeah. And maybe you want to do a rainbow or a butterfly or a snake or a spider or a dog or a puppy or a pussycat. Anything.
We didn't have any brown. We were going to do a puppy, but then we had no brown. So we decided to do a snake.
So,
could have done
well,
a
we can
puppy.
make brown with those colours.
We could make brown.
You can make brown with those colours. Anyhow, we hope you've had fun. Lots of love. And if you buy it and you do some painting, send us a photo so we
Yep.
can see what you've done.